Sanibona, ngiphinde nginibingelele futhi namhlanje ekuseni. Kuhlezi nje kuyintokozo ukuthi sihlangane ngamazwi kaNkulunkulu. Kuhlezi kuyintokozo ukuthi sidluliselane amazwi ethemba, amazwi enduduzo, amazwi esixazululo nesolution kuzona zonke izinto nezinkinga esibhekene nazo ngoba abantu abaningi bayeke bathi ungabona imizi emikhulu ingaka iyashunqa ngaphakathi. Akekho umuntu ongabhekene nenkinga kulesi sikhathi sokugcina, akekho umuntu ongabhekene ne-challenge edinga isolution yayo, because njengamanje we are in times whereby everything is challenging. Ebuthongweni uya-challenge-wa, uyalwiswa. Emalini yakho uya-challenge-wa iphela manje. Ukudla uya-challenge-wa kuphela manje akusuthisi. Izingane uya-challenge-wa zinenkani azizwa, azilaleli, azithumeki. And in marriages baya-challenge-wa abantu, bayalwa ngaso sonke isikhathi. In relationships people are challenged, they're all constantly fighting. Kuliswana ngey'ngane, kuliswana ngendlela omunye espenda ngayo imali, kuliswana ngokuthi omunye ujolile, uchithile. There are so many challenges akhona njengamanje emhlabeni. There are many challenges ngotshwala, many challenges ngogwayi, umzali akhuze aze akhathale, aze ayigidele straight ingane yakhe. So there are so many challenges in the world. Abanye they are challenged at work, umlungu akakuphethe neze kahle, your manager, your boss, everyone is not treating you well. There's so many challenges. The technology keeps on going up, and as much as it goes up, the money goes down, the opportunities goes down, because yonke into iyathuthuka kodwa abantu abathuthuki kanye nazo lezi zinto kodwa bashona phansi. Kufana nokuthi kuzohlezi kunyuka upetrol. Ukunyuka kwapetrol akusho ukuthi na umholo wakho uzonyuka instantly njengoba kusuke kunyuka upetrol noparafini nani nani, but all these things, they come as a challenge to people. They come as a challenge to everyone. They come as a challenge to us all. Kuningi ukusweleka kwezinto emhlabeni, kuningi ukukhalelwa kwezinto emhlabeni, kuningi okwenzakalayo njengamanje. There is challenge kuyona yonke into, but the Lord wants people to understand ukuthi He can see all these things. He can see how people are crying. He can see ukuthi even on television there are so many shows. Amanye athi amashow athi ufelani, whereby couples kill each other. They shoot each other. Bayaqobana, bayahlinzana, kwenzeka izinto eziningi mani. There are shows othi uMamezala, is it Mamezala or something like that? Khona ama shows all paper held, ukwanda kwalama show kuyatshengisa ukuthi we are in a type of reality whereby we are so challenged ngayo yonke indlela. We are in times whereby everything makes you cry, everything makes you sad, everything is not for good, everything is not sustainable. Isikhathi eside or isikhathi enough, but yonke into ekhona njengamanje emhlabeni ihambe iphele fast futhi. Yonke into ekhona njengamanje emhlabeni ihamba izokuchallenge ngandlela thizeni, somewhere somehow, even in relationships. Especially uzitshela ukuthi okay, now I have a new partner and we are in honeymoon phase, everything is nice, it's good, yonke into ihamba kahle, only to find out ukuthi it's just a matter of time whereby that person shows you ukuthi kahle kahle mina ngumuntu onjani, kahle kahle mina I'm this kind of girl, I'm this kind of guy, ngiyisaha, mina ngumlimazi, ngiyashaya, ngenza zonke lezi. There are many things ezenzakalayo in these times. We are in so many challenges singabantu. We are in so many problems singabantu. Ngokwehlukana kwazo izinkinga lezi, kodwa zikhona zonke and zi-challenge wonke umuntu ndlela thizeni. And they are not only challenging physically, spiritually. They are draining. In dreams, you are being drained. There is a lot happening. People are being raped in dreams. People are having sex with women in dreams, having sex with men in dreams. And they do not even, and when they wake up, they eventually forget to, I had a dream, but they see themselves so wet. So the challenges are not just physically, they are spiritually. And the problem is, uqala kwazo lezi inkinga Uqala kwemhelo nje kuphela, azizophela zizokwanda kunalokho. It's only a matter of time whereby everything that is happening spiritually is about to take place physically. Yabo lezi zinto ezenzeka spiritually, uvuke ekseni usukhohle ukuthi kade uphupheni, sezokwenzeka physically ke manje. Ngobani? Ngoba uNkulunkulu uthathile amehlo akhe waya straight kwi-future. Wafika wasitshengisa ukuthi hayi bekwi-future kuzokwenzeka u1 no2 no3 and uNkulunkulu sent people as messengers ukuthi badlulise amazwi ukuthi no people kusasa yazi ukuthi lama robots enithi azowenza impilo zibe lula, azoniqedela imisebenzi. Lama robots enithi azowenza impilo zibe lula kahle kahle, azothatha over, azonibulala, azowenza zonke lezi zinto. But people, because they do not want to understand that, they do not want to grasp the truth, they do not want to listen, they do not want to help themselves save their souls, balande amafutha angumoya ingcwele ukuze ahlale nabo abasize. Then lezo zinto zothi mase zenzeka baqale phansi bathi wow, hawe ma bamangale babe lusizi more than ever again. So izinto ezenzakalayo njengamanje zisancane kakhulu bantu bakaNkulunkulu, zisancane kakhulu compared to what is coming, compared to what we are going to see in the future. And uNkulunkulu usenzele umusa ngale ndlela yokuthi usheshe wayibuka ifuture, wagijima wazositshela kusala singakafiki ifuture ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani kuyona. Kodwa ke because people are so used to lies, they are so used to whatever they want to absorb bona ngendlela yabo bathanda ngayo. Iqiniso, that is why lingafinyeleli kubantu. Iqiniso, that is why lingabathinti abantu emphefumulweni. Iqiniso, that is why lingabakhululi abantu ebugqileni nasekufeni. I was reading my morning food nje komphefumulo, incwadi yeZakha. It's ohlakaniphile uyalalela, ohlakaniphile akasona isibula, ohlakaniphile uyalalela amazwi kaNkulunkulu, azilungiselele, azisize. Because Solomon was the smartest guy. He was so wise. He asked for the wisdom from the Lord. And ekuhlakanipheni kwakhe wahlakanipha enough to even write about all the wisest things, all the wisest acts. Ukuthi ohlakaniphile ubehave kanje, ohlakaniphile uvikela inhliziyo yakhe, ohlakaniphile uvikela ingqondo yakhe, ohlakaniphile uyazihlelela for tomorrow. Because it's not like we do not know what's going to happen tomorrow. It's not like you do not know ukuthi njengoba manje ekhabetheni le rice, ekhabetheni le bucket le rice sekusele inkomishi ezimbili, you gonna need more rice, then go and work for it. Ohlakaniphile knows ukuthi njenga manje nanku ugesi usuyaphela, I need to go and buy another electricity. Ungaze uphele ebusuku ngisapheka. That's the smartest person. Ohlakaniphile wazi ukuthi okay ngoba mina ngenza kancane ekseni, let me just wake up earlier so that I won't be late for my transport, I won't be late for work, I won't be late for my appointment where I'm going or anywhere ngilo engizobe ngikwenza in as an activity of the day. That's the smartest person. But uNkulunkulu izolo kade ngifundisa kakhulu ukuthi yazi ukuthi abantu kudala bajova ngamanga. They have been injected with lies since young age. Remember, for an example nje umntwana mengabe umshiye ecrash, ekhalela ma angifuni ukusala lana, ma angifuni, akhalele. What do parents do? They lie to the kids. No, ungakhathazeki ngiyabuya ngisakulandela idanona. Ungakhathazeki ngiyabuya ngisakuthengela ama chips, ngisakuthengela ama cake, ngisakuthengela whatever ayithembisa yona ingane. Ibambe lokho kingane ukuthi okay uma uyabuya. Libe libukile lapha esangweni uma uyabuya. Uma uyabuya. Izinjani izikhohlwe. Izibuke ukuthi oh there are other kids lana. There are toys lana. There are teachers lana. There's everything, and there's that teacher that is around is gonna carry on with her work or his work. Kuleyo crash leyo. So lo thisha khona uzoqhubeka athi ayibo lalela uma wakho uhambile phela. Senza ukuthi la. Njengamanje isikhathi sokuthi kuyodlalwa, isikhathi sokuthi kuyiwa toilet, isikhathi sokuthi kudlala ama toys, isikhathi sokuthi kufundwe uA E I O U. Uzokutshela lento eyenziwa la. Why? Because that parent left you here. Aqambela amanga ukuthi I'm coming back now. No, ngiyabuya nje manje baba, ngiyabuya manje mama. Ingane ibambe lokho. Uyabuya ma? Okay. Ayiqamba amanga. God, they're not gonna come back now. They're not. They're only coming back after 6 to 7 hours. Or if kuzoba i-daycare ezilasta ehlala isikhathi eside azabuye as late as they can. But umntwana usabambela wayamanga. Nangakusasa mayishiya ingane iphinde ikhale, aphinde asho the same lies. Ngiyabuya ngisokulandela idanone. Iphinde ikholwe lokho futhi ingane. Nangakusasa futhi the same thing. And guess what? On the 5th day, uthi seyibeka ingane lapha. Sekuba yona ke ethi, "Oh uyabuya ma, uyolanda idanone? Okay, hamba ke." Ibambe lawo manga lawo ukuthi uma uyolanda idanono, ibambe lawo manga lawo ukuthi uma uyolanda ama-chips, iwabambe lawo manga lawo. And ukwabamba kwayo doesn't stop the fact that it still lies. The fact that the kid has grasped the lies, wawagcina wazi ukuthi okay njengoba uma iphuma ngesango engishiya lana nalabantu uyolanda idanono, it doesn't stop the fact that it is still lies. Kusamanga. Ukuthi mina ngiyakholwa lokho akusho ukuthi kusekuyiqiniso, kusamanga. Guess what? La emhlabeni people have been lied to about school ukuthi yabona njengoba esikoleni sizokufundisa isikole bese uyaphumelela. If kunjalo, if that's the truth, why then not everyone is so successful after school? Why then not everyone is so successful after college? Why then not everyone is so successful after university? If that's the truth about all these things, all this programming economy, if that's the truth, why then everyone is not so successful after all that have been said and done? If it's so true, ukuthi mawusebenza, you're gonna have everything you need. You're gonna be able to buy yourself a nice life, buy yourself fridge, buy yourself all the clothes, buy yourself all the things. Then why don't everyone that is working njengamanje bengakwazi uku-afford to buy everything they need? I've seen in many cases, in many times, thola ukuthi it's a payday yomuntu uzumcela ukuthi hawu kasiyami yazi payday yakho, can you please bring me some grapes, or cela ungiphe nje 10 rand, I need to get a transport. Anginalo ngisho isenti ngo payday. Imagine ngo payday. So if it's so true that all the things that have been said to us, all the things that have been brought to the table for us, ukuthi zizosiza siphumelele sinqobe sikuthole konke esikudingayo, then why are we not getting it? So ilalaphi kanti indaba ilahleka kuphi? Why are we not getting everything that we need? Why? Kulahleke kuphi kanti? Which brings me to I was always so curious. I think that this curiosity yande kakhulu kumina. I think sengiqedile isikole, yeah. I always asked myself ukuthi okay, so since uNkulunkulu uma ngabe sonke la emhlabeni ubusidalela ukuthi crash primary school, senior, high school, college or varsity, uhambe usebenza ebese kuthola zonke izinto oyifuna. Alright Nkosi, yona impilo obusidalele yona le, okay, that's fine. If bekuyona impilo obusidalele yona le Nkosi, then why sonke singaphasi pho ezikoleni? Why kuba khona abafeyilayo baphinde o grade 10 ka 5? If bekuyona impilo obusidalele yona le. If bekuyona impilo addressele yona le, why pho sonke singareach e-university? Thola ukuthi umuntu useqedile isikole but akakwazi ukuthi aye e-university, akakwazi ukuthi aqhubeke then further their studies. If sonke bekuyimpilo obusidalele yona, why then sonke ke siqede e-varsity and get our degrees, our qualifications, our diplomas, masters or whatever, ebese siyahamba ke siyosebenza sithole imisebenzi yethu esifunayo, because ngifuna ukuthi mangiqeda nge-degree yami ye-nursing bese ngiyagijima ngihamba ngiyosebenza e-Crompton Hospital, ngiyosebenza e-Eddington Hospital, ngiyosebenza e-Baragwanath Hospital. I want to go and work there. If sengiqedile nge-teaching yami ngifuna ukuyosebenza ngifuna kuba i-professor yase-vets yase-UJ yase-UKZN. What the Lord had created us for, then why are we not reaching that point? Paul sonke. If sengiqedile sengisebenza ke Nkosi, I want to go and live a Sandton. I want to live Mhlanga Rocks. I want to live in all these places. I want to drive a nice SUV car. I want to drive an X5. I want to drive a moto enkulu engiyithandayo. Then if that was the life that the Lord created us for, then why are we not getting everything that we need? Sonke. Angiphiki bakhona abakutholayo. But why sonke singakutholi if this life was created for all of us? People, we need to open our eyes. And the Lord didn't kill me with this curiosity, because the saying says curiosity killed the cats, and fortunately enough I'm not a cat, so it didn't kill me. But the Lord answered me so clearly and nicely, which, my child, I didn't create you for all these things. I didn't create you for all the money. I didn't create you for ubumnandi. I didn't create you to live in those big mansions. I didn't create you for all this. I just created you to be at my hand. You need to get these things by my help. You need to get these things only if you deserve them, only if you have worked yourself to get them. And futhi yonke into la emhlabeni, injabulo yala emhlabeni kuncane kakhulu compared to what the Lord has in heaven, compared to what the Lord has for abangcwele bakhe abagcina ubufakazi bakhe, abenza intando yakhe, abazovuza ngokwenza okuthandekayo enkosini. But uNkulunkulu kade ethi izolo abantu kade baqala ukuqanjelwa amanga. Baqale besayingane beshiwe emakhresha. Athi umama uyabuya manje. Umanje into yami a few minutes. It's not for hours. Umanje into emeli yenzeke nanoma inini, in the blink of an eye. At that. But umama hamba isikhathi eside angabuyi uze ujwayele. And unfortunately, la ujwayela khona ila utshelwa khona udemandwa khona, because mase sihambile usuhleli la ecrash athi uthisha lalela-ke, you are here, uzokwenza u-1 no-2 no-3. See nanka ama-toys hamba odlala, see nama-exercise hamba odweba, see nakho ukuthi hamba wenza ukuthi, which is what is happening in the world njengamanje. uNkulunkulu has brought us here to do his will. uNkulunkulu has brought us here to listen to him. Sizokhazimulisa yena ngazo zonke izindlela. Akasivimbelile ukuthi sizijabulise ngezinto ezikhona, but if zizosisusa ebukhoneni bakhe, then akakuthandi lokho baba uNkulunkulu. And sithe sesila emhlabeni ke waqhamuka ungqesta oyisitha, wathi yabona emhlabeni kunani, look around, there's money, there's fame, there's all these things. Ufuna kuphi wena? What's interesting to you? What do you like? Abaningi wabadimanda ukuthi no, shona le oshona khona umuntu abuke the circumstances empilo yakhe, abuke ukuthi ngiyahlupheka, anginalutho, I need this and that. Athi usathana nakho ama-toys, go and play there. These are your toys. Mind you, the toys are dangerous. Mind you, the toys can kill. Because if ungumntwana, few months, uzodlala ngama-toys mhlasimpe awemess awezimfoloko nanani, in as much as they are plastic, but umntwana omncane engayithatha lento ayigwinye ayidle, nenganakiwe engaqashiwe, ebese yenza njani? Izomala, ebese yafa. They choke. So there are many things ezikhona la emhlabeni isitha saziletha kubantu ukuthi nako ukuthathe, and people grabbed all these things bengasabuki ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zizongisiza kangakanani, zizongilimaza kuphi nakuphi. They grabbed bonke utshwala obukhona emhlabeni, angasanaka umuntu ukuthi lento it's a body eating spirit. They grabbed bonke ukubhema, angasanaka umuntu ukuthi lento ilimaza amaphaphu ami. They grabbed all the type of food obukhona emhlabeni, angasanaka umuntu ukuthi lento ilimaza isisi sami, ilimaza izinto zami, because they are brought here. Amanga kade aqala emhlabeni, kade abakhona emhlabeni, kade. And the more technology inyuka, the more amanga enyuka, the more under, the more futhi eqina. What did I say? I said the fact that you believe umzali akushilo doesn't stop the fact that it's amanga. Because yonke into o-absorbayo, konke ozitshela ukona wena ugcina kuyikona. If ungazitshela njengamanje, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, uzitshela ukuthi okay, ngiyazi ukuthi lama Friday engiwadlayo njengamanje anamafutha. Ngiyazi futhi ukuthi amafutha njengamanje azongilimaza, ngidala isifo senhliziyo. Kodwa so what? Ngeke ngize ngibe nalutho. Yabo lawo maze azotshela wona ukuthi ngeke ngibe nalutho, uzozwa wakhola ukuthi ngeke uze ube nalutho ngampela. You will believe that lie. Ukuthi ngeke ngize ngibe nalutho pho kunani. What if I have them it's just for fun, man? I won't have any problem. I won't have any issues. I won't have any heart diseases. And nangakusasa mawuwadla futhi uzosho ukuthi hayi ngeke ngize ngibe nalutho. Nayizola ngithi akwenzekanga lutho. Then namhlanje ke kuze kwenzeke lutho. And nangakusasa uwadle not knowing ukuthi ufonqelana ugcwalisa i-cholesterol inside you, ugcwalisa the total number of fats ezokhula ibe ngaphezulu ebese yakulimaza wena ngaphakathi. But the fact that you keep on telling yourself ukuthi ngeke ngize ngibe nalutho, ukuphinde futhi ngeke ngize ngibe nalutho, ngeke ngize ngibe nalutho, ngeke ngize ngibe nalutho, ngeke ngize ngibe nalutho, that is when you will constantly believe that ngeke uzube nalutho kanti uyalimala ekugcineni. It doesn't stop the fact that khona into ezoba wrong, khona into ezoba nayo, khona isifo sokulandela, khona isifo esizoba khona. So amanga emhlabeni ngisho engarepeatwa kangakanani endlebeni zakho aze abe iqiniso, kodwa kushintsha ukuthi kusamanga. Ngisho ungakuphinda kangakanani ezindlebeni zakho ukuthi uJesu ubathanda bonke abantwana bakhe, uJesu ubathanda bonke abantu emhlabeni, futhi uzozela bonke abantu emhlabeni. uJesu uyazithanda izoni, uJesu wafela bonke abantu. Nathi noma siyizoni kangaka uJesu ngeke unomusa kanjani. Uzolibela uyiphinda leyo nto engqondweni yakho, ulibele uyiphinda leyo nto uzoziyikhona. And mase usuyikholile leyo nto leyo, it's gonna be hard for you to move away from it. It's gonna be hard for the truth when it comes to penetrate you ukuthi understand ukuthi hayi beyazi beyamanga ngempela lento kade ngibele ngizitshela yona. Yazi bekwamanga kangakanani lokho kade ngilubele ngikwenza. Why? Because amanga vele kudala atshalwa kuwena usukela ebuncaneni bakho. Wabelieve ukuthi lento otshelwa yona iqiniso. Sakhula kanjalo nasezikoleni isilibele esitshelwa amanga ukuthi hayi imfundo izokwenza uphumelele. But akwenzeki, siyabona sonke abaphumelele wonke umuntu. Angifuni ukuphika. Yes, there are people who actually make it. There are people who actually graduate. There are people who actually work so nice. But not everyone is getting everything they need. Everything they need out of le mfundiso le ekhona engamanga, the so-called programming, the so-called system, the so-called metrics. And bantu abamnyama, uNkulunkulu uyathanda ukuthi naze niqonde ukuthi nina njengoba nisizwe simnyama, niyisizwe sikaNkulunkulu, nisizwe sasezulwini, nisizwe sibusisiwe, nisizwe esivame konke manje. uNkulunkulu befisa ukuthi anikeze konke enikudingayo. Izwe laseKhenana la ayethembise khona uIsrael ukuthi ngizaninikeza lona from ubaba uAbraham. Wathi izwe livame ubisi, izwe livame izinyosi, izwe livame uju, elivame yonke into enhle. And like Africa sonke siyazi ukuthi ila khona igolide, khona amalahle, khona iplatinum, khona isilver, khona yonke into la eSouth Africa. We are the richest. Why? Because we are blessed by uNkulunkulu. And our blessings comes from the Lord. Deuteronomy 28 uthini? Uthi ngokuba uma ulilalela nokulalela izwi lami, uyakubusisa kena yonke into enzalweni yakho. Uzokubusisa ensimini, ubusise kwimfuyo yakho, ubusise kwiqoma lakho lokuxova isinko, kubusise yonke into yakho. Kuphela uma wenza njani? Uma ulalela izwi lika Jehova uNkulunkulu wakho, uqaphele ukwenza njengokusho kwakhe, uqaphele ukwenza yonke into akuyala ngayo, uqaphele ukwenza ngendlela ethwabisa uNkulunkulu. But I think it's verse 15, Deuteronomy 28 verse 15, uthi kodwa uma ungalilaleli nokulalela yonke into ezisiqalekiso iyeza kuwena. And isiqalekiso siyazibona zikhona njengamanje. Sesiyatshala akusamili njengamanje, imvula ayisekho njengamanje, imfuyo iyalahleka njengamanje, iyafa, kwenzeka izinto eziningi. People are not so blessed. Abantu bayizinyumba njengamanje. Abasazali abasaveza izibusiso ezizalweni zabo, noma abanye bezala sebezala izingane engezwa, sebezala izingane engahloniphi, sekuzala izingane ezingekho right, ezingasona isibusiso. Why? Because kuleke i-understanding yokulalela kwasekuqaleni. Deep back then from okhokho bethu bangalalela, and uyahamba njalo indaba yongalaleli ngenxa yokuthi abantu have been told lies. Yazi back then ngenkathi abazali bethu Adam no Eva bekhishwa, uNkulunkulu eyobapunisha for that 5 days, because I got this information from the lost books. We must understand people ukuthi kunezincwadi ezingekho eBhayibhelini that were lost. ezichaza kabanzi ukuthi kwenzakalani kahle kahle, ezichaza kabanzi izinto ezingekho eBhayibhelini, because if the Bible had everything then ngabe liwumqumbi omkhulu, ngabe futhi mhlasimbe ngabe akekho on interest yokuthi alifunde. But angikho lapho ke sekuthenini there's this book called Lost Book la kuchazwa khona kabanzi ukuthi bathi sebekhishiwe abazali bethu uNkulunkulu wayefuna ubanikeza nje i-punishment for only 5 days and a half, of which u5 days more utransfer uyisa la emhlabeni it's 5,000 years. So mase bekhishiwe entsimini isitha sasilibele sibaqambela amanga. I remember nje there was this period of time laba befaste khona u80 days baze bangena emanzini bahlala emanzini for a good 40 days. USathane wazenza ingelosi yokukhanya wafika kubona wathi hayi imini uNkulunkulu imini ingelosi ngithunywe uNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu uyakubona ukuzila kwenu, uNkulunkulu uyabona ukukhala kwenu, uNkulunkulu senixolele noma seningaphuma manje. Cabanga bengakayiqedi fasting yabo baphuma. I think it was on day 79 bezoyiqeda ngo day 8 baphuma and they broke the covenant. Because isithi into esiyifuna ukuthi ubreak i-covenant, ubreak isivumelano osenzile noNkulunkulu. If you say you're gonna be fasting for 3 days, isithi sofika ngo day 2 usuzoqeda. Senzela ukuthi ungalinge nje wayiqeda le fasting yakho ngoba uyiqeda there is gonna be a lot of blessings, there's gonna be a lot of anointing, there's gonna be a lot coming from the Lord to you. So sizama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi sikuvimbezele sikunqande ukuthi ungalinge uze uyiqede le nto osuthe wayiqala. So into esiyenzayo ke njengamanje kubantu sisheshe sitshale amanga umuntu esamncane engakaqondi engakazi lutho. Imagine telling a lie to a child esukela ebuncaneni bakhe uzothi ekhula akhule nawo amanga. Ena 4 years uyazi ukuthi evele ngiphila ngamanga, 6 years ngiamanga, 10 years 20 years amanga kuzobe sekuyinjwayelo kuzobe sekuyinto yakhe, and alawo manga lawa azogcina eseyiqiniso kuyena ngoba usewajwayele, usewazi, usewathatha njengeqiniso, which is why, and the Lord is specifying uyayisho lento njengamanje ukuthi that is why abantu it is so hard ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bagraspe iqiniso. Why? Because sebefongelene bafaka kakhulu amanga, kwagcala amanga ngaphakathi kubona in their taps. That is why it's so important to unlearn first so that uzokwazi ukuthi kuhlale iqiniso. And that's the hardest thing ever, ukunlearn ukhipha into. I remember when I'm sorry to talk about myself, but can I please just make this example? But I remember ngingathi ngiqala ukwenza my driving lesson, ngangaqala ukudrive at that time because I had driven before using my friend's cars, Nanani and my brother's car. But ngathi ngiqala ngidrive lapha e-truck, the only thing udriver ayisho kumina wathi lalela, anginendaba ukuthi mhlawumbe khona la sewadriver khona noma khona sekwakufundisa anything ngokudrive ukuthi uzoqala unyathela ukuthi nokuthi njengamanje nje obuze la kulesi sikole uzofundiswa yimina, ngizocela ukuthi ungikhiphele yonke into onayo ekhanda ngokudriver so that uzokwazi ukuthi ungilalele. Ngoba if you have something about driving bese mina ngizokutshela anything else, wena uzokuthatha lokho ngokwakho ebese ufuna ukuhlanganisa kokubili kanti kuzokuclasha. Ngizothi mina nginyathela iclash wena uthi hayi kuqala ngokunyathela ibrake, you know. So ngifuna ungikhiphele yonke into ulalele mina, uzwe mina lento engikutshela yona uyilalele ebese uyayenza so that sizokwazi ukuthi sibe nama lesson anokuthula, sihlezi njalo sifundisana ngendlela ezosisa phambili singabantu. And I took those words ngawalalela ngathi yazini usiza mina lo muntu othi ngikhohle yonke into eseke ngayizwa before ngilalele yena bese ngenza lento ayishoyo, and that helped me a lot. So emhlabeni njengamanje it's about time singabantu siqale si-unlearn yonke into eyamanga sesifundisiwe. Because okhokho bethu bafundisiwe amanga, abazali bethu bafundisiwe amanga bese asegcwele kakhulu emhlabeni. It's time to unlearn njengamanje. It's time to be that child ozothi umzali ngiyabuya manje, umbuza ukuthi wena ma izolo uthe uyabuya manje kodwa izolo awuzange uzubuye manje, izolo uthatha ama-hour ukuthi ubuye, wena ma udlale ngami futhi izolo uthe uzongiphathela idanono wangayenza leyo nto leyo. So it's about time njengamanje sibe izingane ezizothi izolo kwenzeka ukuthi, izolo akwenzekanga, la manga lawo libele usitshela wona wena sithi sala emhlabeni siyabona ukuthi angamanga ngempela, ngoba lezi zinto sithembisa zona azenzeki, lezi zinto sithembisa zona akuzona lezi athi usitshela zona, kungamanga nje kuphela udlala ngathi wena umthetho wakho. It's about time now we realize ukuthi it's so much false. It's so much false. Amanga wodwa lento. amanga wodwa lawo sifundiswe wona, amanga wodwa lawo sikhuliswe ngawo, amanga wodwa lawo ade silibele sijova ngawo mihla yonke. Ukuthi kumele uhambe uyogoma, kukusiza ngani ukugoma? Ukuthi kumele uhambe eklinikhi uma ngabe ugula, uyoma ulayini lapho mude bengenandaba nawe ukuthi ushiswa ilanga uma waquleka kuyikhani bekunaka-ke. Amanga wodwa zonke lezi zinto ukuthi udokotela ozokwazi ukukusiza kwisifo sakho, amanga wodwa because udokotela tells you the truth ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukukusiza ukuthi lesifo sakho siphele but ngizosidambisa, ngizokwenza ukuthi kube ngcono, ngizokwenza ukuthi at least usurvive, ngizokwenza ukuthi at least le BP yakho ibe ingaphakami, ingenciphi futhi because miyancipha kakhulu uzofa, miyaphakama kakhulu uzofa. So yenza ukuthi ithi how about ethi udokotela ngiyayiqeda le BP iphele nya, then sobona ukuthi umlapha ngempela. So amanga have been told to people for as many as they have ever lived. Because kusukela ebuncaneni bethu kade sasitshelwa amanga. Ushiye umzali wakho athi ngiyahamba ngiyabuya manje. Hlala la ulinde. Athi ulokhu kuzokusiza. So it's about time isi realize ukuthi lokho kungenzekanga izolo kusangangenzeka nangakusasa. If I failed, then na tomorrow I can still fail because I still keep on applying for jobs. Kodwa ngithola imisebenzi. How about I try something else? I keep on trying small businesses, but they do not work. How about I try something else? Why? Because amanga have been inflicted people with the wrong hope. Ukuthi ngcono wenze kanje, ngcono wenze kanje, ngcono wenze kanje, which is wrong still. Because konke lokho uthi uyakwenza, konke lokho uthi uyakubamba, konke lokho uthi uyakubambisisa still kusangamanga. Ugcina usuwakholwa ngoba amanga njalo. Yonke into ozozitshela yona ozoyivumela uzoyithatha njengeqiniso, ngiyakuthembisa. So it's about time manje. Yabo le nkomisho nayo yokugcina ulwazi. It's about time uthukulule konke, chitha yonke into manje. I-reality sikhona, ukukhanya sekukhona. Sonke sesiyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani emhlabeni. Sonke sesiyabona ukuthi kudlalwa ngathi imali izosiza siphumelele, kodwa ayisenzi siphumelele nje. I've been working for 5 years. Kodwa still no success, no car, no nothing. I've been working for 13, 15 years. No success, no car, kodwa still ngisafana. The only thing I've accumulated in my life, ngisathengene ekhaya fridge, ngisathenga umbhede, ngisathengene phela. Ngisathenga i-microwave, ngisathenga istove kuphela. For 15 years. Kodwa ikweletu. Njalo makuphela inyanga nje mina ngihlezi ngine stress. Njalo makuphela inyanga ngiyazi ukuthi awe ma umashonisa this and that. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngikweletu sibani because people, we have been told lies. We have been lied to all our lives. And another thing when it comes to people do not know how to absorb the truth njengamanje because kugcwele amanga ngaphakathi kubona. Abasakwazi ukuthi bazolifaka phi iqiniso because it's like a cup that is filled with lies. If uzama ukuthela something, imagine inkomishi igcwele amanzi. Uzama ukuthela amanye amanzi, azongena yini? Azongena phakathi, azohlala. Ngeke azangene. Why? Because kuna something that your cup is filled. Your cup is filled with lies. It's filled with dirt. It's filled with all these things. So if uNkulunkulu ezama ukufaka iqiniso, lilibele intanda la ngaphezulu, lintanda la ngaphezulu. Actually yazi kwenzakalani. I just want to make this experience, please, people. Please forgive me, bantu, but ngifisa abantu ba-understand lento engizama ukukhuluma lento engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi into kanjani. So I just want to make this experiment. So empilweni, you are like a glass, like this, njengeglass, ne? An empty glass. So the more you are filled with something, you have been filled with ukuthi isikole sizokusiza, you have been filled with ukuthi imali izokwenza uphumelele, you have been filled with amanga, you have been filled ukuthi umshado uzokwenza ube nokuthula, uzokwenza ujabule, kodwa it doesn't happen. So now the Lord is coming empilweni yakho. uNkulunkulu njengoba eza manje uza neqiniso, uzokutshela ukuthi no kwangamanga konke lokhu. Why? Because everything ekhona njengamanje ikhona without me, ikhona ngaphandle kwami. So what the Lord is trying to do, uzama ukuthi akuthelele ngeqiniso. And njengoba ezama ukuthi athele iqiniso, the Lord is like this. liqiniso lingene kancane uthi oh ngiyazazi uqinisile yazi, and then mase sifikile kwagcwala uNkulunkulu ezama ukutshela ukuthi shintsha-ke manje. See what happens. Buka kwenzakalani, akuthela iqiniso kwenzekeni, liyachitheka iqiniso kaNkulunkulu. It gets nowhere kuwena, it gets nowhere in you absorbing. Why? Because you are filled with the lies. So when the truth of God comes to you, it cannot come and sit kuwena, asakwazi ukufinyelela lingene kuwena because you are filled with lies. So what you need to do is take this light uwachithe ukuthi kudlaliwe ngami la emhlabeni, and allow the Holy Spirit to fill you with the truth, and then you're gonna act iqiniso langampela khona uzokwazi ukuzisindisa muntu kaNkulunkulu. Sorry to make this experiment engazuthi ningane encane, but I want people to understand lento engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi kuyinto enjani. I had to clear that up so quickly. As I was saying, ukuthi it is about time njengamanje uchithe yonke into because amanga ukuthi there is happiness without God. Ayikho injabulo uma ingekho uNkulunkulu, ngiyakuthembisa. The only happiness ongaba nayo ile ya 2 hours ulapha e-mall usuholile uthenge whatever bese siphelile imali, back to usizi, back to square one. Ayikho injabulo uma ingekho uNkulunkulu emshadweni wakho. Because ungajabula vele nisabungaza sebaningi, oh Nkosi yami bani. Kodwa uma ingekho uNkulunkulu, isithe songena emshadweni wakho senenze nixabane mihla yonke yokuphila kwenu. Senenze nixabane wena nomyeni wakho uzuthi Nkosi yami lo mshado wami oyisiqalekiso. Why? There is no God inside this marriage. Ayikho injabulo emsebenzini if lo msebenzi awutholanga ngoNkulunkulu. There's gonna be sorrow ngaso sonke isikhathi. There's gonna be trouble. Kuzoba nokuthethisana, kuzoba nongaholelani indlela efanelekile. If umuntu esebenza overtime then bangakukhokheli badlale ngawo bakwenza isilima. There's no love and happiness and no peace without God. There's no peace in that relationship lo mjolo wakho. Because uNkulunkulu akangena emjolweni. uNkulunkulu hates umjolo with all that he has. Hates umjolo. So there's no God. When there's no God, there's no peace, there's no happiness. Nohlezi nixabana. Nohlezi nibanga izinto ezincane, nibanga imali, nibanga whatever, nibanga ukuthi unengane wena unayo. There won't be any happiness kuleso sikole leso because uye esikoleni uhambe ekuseni ungathandazile. Ufika esikoleni uthisha kushaye. Mhlawumbe ushawa kweclass lonke ungenzanga lutho wena. Ubani owenza ukuthi nithule ningamkhiphi bese nishawa nonke. Happiness empilweni. There won't be any happiness mulele ebusuku ngoba umcela ngoNkulunkulu ukuthi alale nawe. Amcela ngomoya engcwele ukuthi akuvikele ebusuku, akuvikele emaphushweni. So there won't be any happiness. Kuphela imoya izokukinya ebusuku. Kuphela imoya izongena ngamagunda nebusuku ungakwazi ukulala gulugudu emakhabetheni gulugudu abheza aqeda ukudla, aqedela wena ukudla kwakho. There won't be any happiness without God. Never. It will never happen. Akaze kwenzeke ngaphambilini, and it's definitely not going to happen in the future. Without God, there is no happiness. Without God, there is no peace. Phakathi komakhelwane bakho, if ungakhuleki, if ungazani noNkulunkulu, ngeke uze ube khona ukuthula. Phela nomakhelwane uzoba ngento encane nebanga ukuthi izingane kade zidlala yawa lapha egcekeni lakho. Athi wena ubukephi nani? Why ungayigadi ingane? Why? Kubangwe into engekho, useless, something very useless. And there's something abantu asebeluthwe ngayo ezitshela ukuthi these secular things ezikhona la emhlabeni, they cause happiness or they bring happiness. Like people think ukuthi injabulo iza ngokuthi ekseni ngidla ama-cornflakes, ekseni ngidle imuesli. They think that's the happiness. And they take pictures mase sebekudlile bapost nani ukuthi I had my muesli and it had strawberries and berries ngaphezulu. Lempilo yesilungu bantu isitshalwe kakhulu kubantu, ya inflictwa kubantu, yagcwala kubantu. And unfortunately the most painful part mina engibangela ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi abantu mase bejwayele lempilo bazibona bengcono kunabanye. But they are enlarging, bayakhukhumala. They see themselves so better than other people because I have this. Ngithuthukile mina, I've got an ngiphathi iPhone. mina ngiphatha i-Samsung A-bani, whatever, A22, A32. Kumele ilokhu njani? What is this thing? Is it trademark or whatsoever? Ukubhala lapha ezansi ukuthi i-A32 yabani, yanokwethemba, yanokwanda. Nokwanda's A32. Kumele kucace ukuthi eyakho, because you are so developed wena. You have this. We must know ukuthi you have it. Lezi zinto lezi eziyi-technology zisilungu zibenza abantu babe greedy man. Uthi usunazo zonke izinto, all these ornaments, all these decorations ekhaya, then you are better than your neighbor. And into ephinde ibe buhlungu kakhulu ukuthi laba bangenakho nabo bayazama ukuthi babe nakho, Nkosi yami. Bayazama ukuthi okay, sengamaneka amashonisa khona naye ezoyijabulisa ingane yakhe, khona naye ezoyithengela ifoni yakhe ngoba nomakhelwane useyithengelile yakhe ifoni. Uzungena ezikweletini ngempela mzali, ungenela ukuthi kube nomnandi besikhashana, ungenela ukuthi kube naleyo njabulo esikhashana engasho lutho, engasizi ngalutho. But ngenxa yokuthi usubonile ukuthi kwenzekile komunye umuntu, nawe ubona ukuthi iyona ndlela yokujabula le, ubona ukuthi iyona ndlela ezokulethela ukuthula le, iyona ubona ukuthi iyona ndlela right. I see, especially when it comes to these things abo ama-pagan holidays lapho like oKhisimusi kanje. Athi umuntu ayi nathi kumele siyijabulise iy'ngane, Nkosi yami siyawadinga phela amakhekhe aKhisimusi aze wafihle. Lapho uthola ukuthi afford. Kumele siyijabulise iy'ngane when it's New Year's, kumele sithenge, Nkosi yami, o-cricket bakithi engenamali engenalutho. Kumele sithenge bakithi inyama. Hawu yabo ukushisa inyama lapha kulo muzi. Nathi phela kumele sibe nakho. They think this is a way of happiness. They think this is a way of being fulfilled ngayo yonke into, but it's not, people. I want to promise you ukuthi it is not. Abanye abantu they are so pressured njengamanje ukuthi nami ingane zamele ngizamele, Nkosi yami, ama-cornflakes khona zizojabula, mele ngizamele, Nkosi yami, ikhekhe khona izojabula. You are so pressured ngenjabulo ozitshela ukuthi injabulo, kanti cha, kuzokudalela usizi, kuzodrowa wena ngamanga lawa khona, kwenzela ukuthi nawe khona uzoshiya imvelaphi yakho, ushiye ukuthi ungubani, ushiye ukuthula kwangampela okusenkosini uJesu Kristu, kumoya oyingcwele, ulandele izinto zesikhashana. And lezi zinto libele uzilandele, you're gonna be so addictive to them. It's eventually at some point, and the more you are addictive towards them, then the more you will want them. Because yonke into ozitshela yona ukuthi iqiniso igcina isiyiqiniso ekhanda lakho, igcina isiyiqiniso enhlizweni yakho. Ngisho kuthiwa iyamanga kangakanani kodwa igcina isiyiqiniso kuwena. Why? Because you keep on telling yourself, how true is it? How true is it ukuthi ngizojabulisa ukuba ne-laptop nami? How true is it ukuthi ngizojabulisa ukuthi ngibe ne-tablet, iPad, iPod, whatever? They think people, it's so nice to have earphones. Abanye abantu bethi behamba emgaqweni wena ufakela ama-wireless earphones. Lo msindo lo ulalela wena wedwa, ukufaka emhlabeni wakho wedwa. And guess what? If you walk emgaqweni nalo msindo ndini wakho ulalele ngalawo ma-earphone akho, kuzoqhamuka imoto ngemuva, awuzwa wena ikushayise ikubulale ufenya. Because you think it's amazing ukuthi ngifake wireless earphones, awana ntambo nani ngilalela ingoma zami, ngilalele whatever. People, these things, they're just a technology ezama ukuthi draw away from what's important to you, draw away from knowing yourself, draw away from working for your soul, working for yourself, draw away from understanding who God is, understanding your Father, understanding the Holy Spirit, understanding where you come from, understanding ukuthi izenzo zakho zizodetermine where you are going. And all these things zilwisana nawe each and every day, all the time. It's about time now you unlearn everything ekhona emhlabeni, because yangamanga, and people can see ukuthi kungamanga kangakanani. It's just a matter of time. Konke kuvela ukuthi kungamanga ngampela. And unfortunately kuyovela sekulate yazi kwabaningi. Why? Because they want to keep it as true enhlizweni zabo ngenkani. Uthi kwamanga ayibudlala ngathi lo nakho nje mina ngiyasebenza, nakho ngi-right, nakho nje ukuthi because abantu babona izinto zenzeka bazitshela ukuthi hayi ngoba kwenzekile then people, wake up. This is reality. Wake up, kudlaliwe ngawe lana. Wake up, umosheliwe isikhathi. Wake up, umosheliwe energy. Uthi uJehova ufuna simthande ngamandla ethu onke. Isitha sithi ayithatha amandla akho uhambe uyosebenza whole day. Ungasebenza overtime, usebenze ne-night shift. Awusamthanda ngamandla akho onke. Athi uNkulunkulu ufuna uthanda ngenhliziyo yakho yonke. Sithi ayibona uthando usibani. Uthi sithanda sami ungithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke Nkosi yami. Usuthanda bani? Usuthanda leya muntu leyana. Usuthanda leya soka lakho lela ne-drive Mercedes. Usuthanda leya soka lakho eludokotela uchaza ukuthi liwudokotela kanti ngelinye ilanga liyothatha umjovo likujove ngawo. Uthanda ukuthi ngoba uyiphoyisa ngelinye ilanga lesesibhama naso uzodubula wena ngaso. Uthanda yena ngenhliziyo yakho yonke, awusathanda uNkulunkulu. Athi simthande ngemphefumulo yethu yonke. Abantu imphefumulo yabo abanendaba nawe banikela ngayo for riches. Athi usathane, oh come, sell your soul and get all the riches. Udayise nawe ngomphefumulo wakho, ngabe uthande uNkulunkulu ngomphefumulo wakho, ungakwenzi lokho. Bantu niyaluthwa, niyalahlekiswa nobaba wenu, niyalahlekiswa nemvelaphi yenu, niyalahlekiswa neqiniso lene belizosiza nina. And I always add mina ukuthi athi uNkulunkulu simthande ngesikhathi sethu sonke. Ngoba isikhathi sesinikeze uyena vele la emhlabeni. Otherwise ngaba sisaphili. Otherwise nathi ngabe sisemathuneni njengabazali bethu. Otherwise ngabe sisemathuneni njengabangani bethu. Otherwise ngabe sisemathuneni njengogogo bethu, njengomkhulu bethu, njengabo bonke abantu esibaziyo. Ungamthandi ngesikhathi sakho. Isikhathi sakho uspende maphi efonini yakho? Uspende in shopping, uspende uyapheka if you're a chef, uspende in watching TV, uspende in watching the news. And people are so wasted. Isikhathi ngalendlela yokuthi even the news ulibelulelana neindaba zabantu, julalelana neindaba zabantu. Hawu usokwenza ukuthi sibanibani, usokwenza ukuthi ulalela. Wena uzinaka nini wena? Kuze ngaso sonke isikhathi mawuzohleza ubuka le phesheya ngeke uzubone okula. Kodwa mawubuka la ongaphesheya uzothatha isikhathi ukuthi ukunotice noma ukurealize. It's about time people babheke bona ukuthi mina kwenzakalani ngami ngoba mina ngelinye ilanga ngiyofa. Mangifa mina ngiyophelelaphi? Mangifa ngiyoyapi? Ngoba konke okwenza usenzela wena. Njengamanje yonke into yenza uyatshala uyovuna ngelinye ilanga and ukuvuna kwakho ithi incwadi yabeHebheru konke umuntu masefike lesikhathi sokufa ila kufika khona ukwahlulela. That is when judgment comes to you immediately when you die. I-judgment yakutshela ukuthi okay kade wenzani emhlabeni, hamba uyolinda lapha esihogweni wena. Wena uyolinda lapha, wena uyolahla emhlabeni, wena uyolinda lapha ethuneni, uyolahla khona ethuneni. Kade siqeda ukugqiba lapha uvuka uphaphama ushaya ibhokisi uhayiza sisakuza usufile phela ukuthi uNkulunkulu awubuyisele umphefumulo wakho udliwe zimpethu uzwa ubuka ukhale. Angasekho umuntu ozokuthulisa. Why? Imisebenzi yakho ikwenza udeserve leya ndawo. Imisebenzi yakho ikwenza ufanele leya ndawo. Imisebenzi yakho ikwenza uhlale kuleya ndawo. Amanga agcwele emhlabeni. Stop thinking ukuthi le njabulo enitshela ukuthi injabulo izolast, ngeke izilast. Kuba kwamanga. Konke lokudla enitshela ukuthi uyayijabulisa, I'm just having donuts, I'm having pizza, burger, having all these things. Ekugcineni kosuku there's a contamination somewhere somehow. Because njengamanje inyama zomabheka awuyazi ukuthi leya nyama izihlanganiswe kanje iphuma iyadlula kiphi imishini bekade inani. And njengamanje they are using even imizimba yabantu, izicubu zabantu. I remember nje I had a dream. Abantu bedla flesh, inyama yomuntu. Sorry, I didn't prepare this because uNkulunkulu ukutshela manje enhlizweni yami ukuthi let me mention this. Kudliwe inyama zabantu manje. Uzobona abantu bekhukhumala. Akukhulu phela umuntu all of a sudden. Abe nesisu umuntu all of a sudden. Why? Because they are eating flesh. Badla inyama zabantu. uJehova utheni? Usiyalile ukuthi kudliwe ziphi inyama. Leviticus 11. Uyalile ukuthi lezi ningazidla, lezi ningazidla. Edabula inselo ezetshisayo nani. Sorry, I'm not in too much details with inyama because vele I made a decision of not eating it myself. So we live in times whereby everything has been lied to. Kubantu ukuthi all these secular things zithande. All this kind of music uthande. All these things zithande. That is why people kuba lula ukuthi bathathe amanga bawahlalise kubona bawagraspe quickly and fast. Why? Because they're used to it. Kade atshalwa kubona besabancane. kade atshalwa kubona besakhula, betshelwa amanga abazali babo abantu ababathembile. So ngisho manje ungatshelwe nombani usuwajwayele vele. Because if ngaso sonke isikhathi probably every day uwumuntu othanda itiye, ngisho usuliphuza komunye umuzi usujwayele. Ngisho kuthiwa lela kuleya muzi mhlampe selifake asazi lafakwa anything usuyijwayele vele. Uthi uhamba nabangani bakho batshele bafethu mina ngiphuzi, angibhemi futhi angidli cocaine. Mina bathi uphuzani? Phuza ijuice. Usuyijwayela ngathi ijuice. Guess what? Kwijuice ke vuvupho cocaine. Udaka ulale lapho bese balala nawe ngoba wena usayi-virgin phela ngithi. Amanga agcwele emhlabeni. And abantu they think these lies are the one that get you closer to happiness, are the one that get you closer to peace. But they do not cause you any happiness nakancane, but they cause you sorrow ngoba kuyaphela kuyadlula kuyisikhashana nesincane. And you cannot say you are always happy when you have to buy that happiness. Why do you have to buy it? Into engijabulisayo, into ekumele ilaste, it must be everlasting. So why do I have to buy it? If ngijabulisa ukuthi ngiye cinema, why do I have to buy that? If ngijabulisa ukuthi ngidle ipizza, why do I have to buy it? Please people ningangizwa kabi, I'm not saying ukuthi ama-Odebonez mele basinika ama-pizza ngenkani cha, basinike mahhala cha. I'm just saying ukuthi kungamanga ukuthi lezi zinto ziyinjabulo. Kuamanga ukuthi ipizza iyakujabulisa. Why? Because you have to buy it first before you are happy. Into ekujabulisa, you do not have to buy it. Into ekujabulisa, you do not have to work so hard for it. But you just need to get it. And injabulo yangampela, everlasting joy, ivela kuJesu Kristu, ivela kuMoya Engcwele, ivela kuNkulunkulu. Ukwazi ukuthi nginekhaya, ukwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangithanda, ukwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu usangiphilisile namhlanje, ukwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangibekezelela, ukwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungibekelele kusasa. That's the joy. Fana nomntwana othi mehamba mhlawumbe uma wakhe uhlezi esebenza njalo ufike ekhaya umntwana afike yedwa azilungisele ukudla. But umama meselivini umntwana ajabule ngisho ehambe ekseni ayisikoleni uyazi maybe esikoleni uzofica umama umphekele, uzofica uma yonke into isi-right sekuclean endlini, angena ozocleana namhlanje, angena ozocleana for these 2 weeks uma eselivini. That joy ongayithengi, leyo joy ukuthi uma ukhona ekhaya ngizofika sekuphekiwe ukudla okumnandi okushisayo. Ngizofika namhlanje uma ngimbone exova ujeqe ekseni, ngizofica uma ngiphekile ujeqe nobhotisa ukudla engikuthandayo. Into ongayithengi, into showcase assurance kuwena. So people don't think ukuthi injabulo iyathengwa. Le thengwayo akusiyona injabulo, ukuluthwa nje kwakho umoshela isikhathi, umoshela impilo yakho, ubulawa. Poison. Alcohol is poison. Drugs are poison and they are deadly. Ziyabulala lezi zinto. So uNkulunkulu usasithanda nje bese sitshela amaqiniso. Kodwa kukuwena ukuthi amanga uyawakhipha yini eqala khona uzokwazi ukuthi ulamukele iqiniso, uliabsorbe lihlale kuwena. Kodwa mawukhetha ukuthi ungawakhiphi amanga uqhubeke nawo, lizothi iqiniso malifika ube nendlela ozophikisa ngayo. Lizothi iqiniso malifika kube nendlela ozothi hayi vele uPawuli njengoba bekhuluma kanjena nje, uPawuli babekhuluma nabaseKorinte, babekhuluma nabaseGibhithe, babekhuluma nabaseGalatia, babengakhulumi nathi. Thina sila emhlabeni. Awu thina okhokho bethu nje Nkosi yami, hayibo babephila kanje, thina uthi siphila kanjani na ingane idlala ngathi bo. Ngeke phela sinoshiya amasiko ethu. Hawu ngeke. Mina nje abantu abadala bayangisebenzela nani. Why? Because awufuni ukukhipha lokhu ukuthi wamanga lento. Wazi kahle ukuthi lento ingimoshisa imali. Wazi kahle ukuthi lento ikukhiphisa o30,000 usale ungena lutho, ungena penny, kodwa usale unesikweletu solokufonelwa every day thiwakhokha phela. So bantu bakaNkulunkulu, konke kukwena ukuthi alifuna yini iqiniso. And iqiniso linguJesu. Iqiniso linguNkulunkulu. Uthini uJesu? Mina ngiyindlela neqiniso nokuphila. If ufuna ukuphila okuphakade, amukela uJesu njengenkosi nomsindisi. If ufuna ukuphila okuphakade, phila iqiniso la emhlabeni. Phila impilo yobungcwele. Phila impilo ezosiza wena kusasa. Because impilo yobungcwele izosondeza wena ekuphileni okuphakade. Impilo yobungcwele izosondeza wena ekukhululweni kuzo zonke izinto ezenzakalayo la emhlabeni. izokukhulula ebugqileni, izokukhulula osizini, izokukhulula endlaleni, izokukhulula kwizifo, izokukhulula kuyona yonke lento ekhona la emhlabeni. Kodwa uma ungafuni, ungazimisele ngalokho, then qhubeka namanga akho, then qhubeka nawo konke ukwenzayo. Uthini vele uJohane encwadini yesambulo uthi 22:11, ongalungile akahlale njalo engalungile, ongcolile akayingcolise njalo, ngoba uJesu uyeza njengamanje. Sekuhlungiwe emhlabeni. If uqhubeka ukhetha amanga, if uqhubeka ukhetha imali more than God, uNkulunkulu umbeke esayidini, umbeke ngangcino, then it's okay, it's your choice. Uyovuza kodwa ngakho lokho. Because njengamanje sonke siyatshala la emhlabeni. Sonke sisensimini, siyalima. If wena uzoma ensimini, because kuyenzeka ube sensimini, kodwa ungalimi ungenzi lutho, uyihlalele nje uzothela ilanga. Uthi awe ma ulibele ukhala ucomplain nani. So sonke sila emhlabeni sisema office, because your body is like an office. You are here to work, you are here to do something. If kuyenzeka kodwa ube se-office uthola ukuthi ubhizi nefoni yakho, se-office ubhizi ney'nto zakho nani. So njengoba use-office lasemzimbeni wakho, zibuza ukuthi uyasebenza ngampela yini. Do you bring the reports? Do you bring the invoice? Do you do all the things okumele uzenze use-officeini lakho? Noma urawunda nesihlalo, busy uyacomplain la emhlabeni, uyacomplaina nje wena. La emhlabeni, Nkosi yami sasavelelwe ilanga, imvula futhi, ma sasahlupheka singabantu. Ungawenzi umsebenzi wakho. Noma yonke into ekhona la emhlabeni uyisebenzisela wena ngaso sonke isikhathi. You're so greedy. Yonke into have to come to you, everything have to benefit you. You are the one who have to gain everything and all the time. Ukuphi? Wenzani? Ngoba egcineni kosuku uma use-office kuziya ngokuthi wenzeni ukuze uhole ekugcineni. Kuziya ngokuthi usebenze kangakanani ukuze uthole i-promotion. But if ungasebenzanga at all, you're not gonna get anything month end. You're not gonna get any promotion in 6 months time. So there will be a time la khona uJesu sebuyeza la emhlabeni eza nethimba lasezulwini. Mayefika la emhlabeni uzokufica wenzeni? Uzofica ukwenza eziphi izenzo zokulunga ezithabisa uNkulunkulu. Let us stop ukukhothamela abantu. Let us stop ngizothina ukusarenda kubantu, ukuphilela abantu ngaso sonke isikhathi. Uthi ngwaye nabantu bayakwenza, buka umfundisi nani. That's what brings confusion more than ever emhlabeni. Zonke izinto uyibuka lapha emhlabeni, ubuka abantu benza. No. Ask the Lord, the Holy Spirit. And umduduze umoya engcwele. Lo sakushiyela uJesu njengefa lethu la emhlabeni. Uyena yedwa ukwazi ukusiqondisa endleleni. Uyena yedwa ukwazi ukusilungisisa endleleni. Uyena yedwa ukwazi ukusifundisa konke, senze intando kaBaba uNkulunkulu, senze intando ngendlela uBaba uNkulunkulu emthokozisayo, emthabisayo. But if singakwenzi lokho, uzothi ebuya uJesu wethu uzokujaja. Because njengamanje usawummeli, usakunxusela kuBaba uNkulunkulu ukuthi imbekezelele Baba. Mhlasimpe mengathunyela umyalezo ku-YouTube, mengathunyela umyalezo ku-TikTok, mhlawumbe mengathunyela umyalezo ku-Facebook, uzozo aphenduke. And uNkulunkulu uzothi sekwenzile lokho for many years. Because abathunywa baNkulunkulu kade babeqala ukusebenza emhlabeni. Khona abano 20 years in the ministry, 30 years, 10 years. Besebenza umsebenzi waNkulunkulu. uJesu uzobe eseyijaji, uzobe sesho ukuthi lalela wena ngakumela wena. Ngakumela 15 years kuBaba uNkulunkulu ngilibele nginxusela ngikuncengela. Wahluleka. Then ngizokujaja and uzojaja uJesu because kunini ekuncengela. Kunini ekunxusela. Kunini ethi ayi baba qhubeka ngicela umuphe another 5 years. Muphe another 10 years. Another 2 years please. Tholakale lo 2 years ubhizi uthukana noNkulunkulu. Tholakale lo 2 years ubhizi uhleka usulu. Tholakale lo 2 years ubhizi uqhubekela nempilo yakho ebumnandi. Ubhizi uzifebela, ubhizi uzenzela umathanda, uziphilela ukuthanda kwakho. Yonke into oyifunayo ufunela wena, uyigombela kwesakhe, ugreedy nenhliziyo embi, nenhliziyo elikhuni. Ubhizi uzibhemela. Ubhizi uyisihlebi, uhleba ngabanye abantu, uhleba ngabazalwane, wenze yonke into oyithandayo wena la emhlabeni, kodwa umhlaba ungoka Jehova nokugcwala kwawo. Izwe nabo bonke abakhile la emhlabeni ungoka Jehova umhlaba. Imagine ungowaka mhlasimpe nje ungowaka Ngubo isibongo. Uhambe uhlala kaShangase. KaNgubo kunemithetho yakhona, kunendlela okwenziwa yakhona. Ucabanga ukuthi masisuka kaShangase uzophinda wenze njengakaNgubo? Cha, kaShangase uzotshela ukuthi la ekhaya siphila kanje, la ekhaya sidla ngalendlela, sidla kathathu. Ukuthi kaNgubo wena ubudla ka6, la ekhaya sidla kathathu ke shame. Ukuthi kangobona ubumbatha iy'ngubo eziwu-10 la ekhaya uzombatha eziwu-2. Uzophila ngomthetho wakhona. So sisemhlabeni waJehova, yes ube udalele thina, kodwa ngoba isono sangena kwanesiqalekiso kakhulu, abantu abasenzi ngendlela uNkulunkulu ade ethi ebahlelela ukuthi benze ngayo. So ngaleyo ndlela uNkulunkulu usasibekezelele ethi buyelani kimi nenze intando yami because nisemhlabeni wami. Otherwise if you do not do such, if you not do ngendlela yami, then I will surely and surely punish you. I would surely and surely judge you. Usufike kaNgubo. Sorry, usufike kaShangase. Ungowa kaNgubo. Wafika wena wadla ka6. Uzothina ubaba khona? Uzothi iyamosha lengane. Ngeke lengane idlala ngathi lekhaya. Ngeke lengane ayihambe lekhaya. Why? Because wenze into engafanele ukuthi uyenze. Uzoxoshwa. So, nikeze ukubhubha. Bayasha abaprofeti oJoel, oMalaki, oZefaniya, oIsaiah. Usuku lesigayigayi, usuku lobumnyama, usuku losizi. Lapho khona uJehova ezoveza ulaka lakhe la emhlabeni and uzoliveza. And mase liveza ulaka lakhe kuzokonakala kuona wonke umuntu. Mase liveza ulaka lakhe kuzokonakala kuzona zonke izizwe. Uzokhala isimaye. Ila ezobe seveza khona ukuthi mina ngiuNkulunkulu ungaguquki, ngiuNkulunkulu ngiyacasuka. Seningicunule kwanele mani bantu ngokungezwa. Seningicunule kwanele nje ngokungangilaleli emhlabeni wami odalwe yimi. People, please, let us get back to the Lord. Siqandeliwe amanga, yes fine. We are in times of corrections njengamanje. Uqandeliwe amanga vele, ngimfunda ukuthi izokuphumelelisa kodwa ayikwenzi lokho. It's time you look back uthi hayibo. Ngingenza kuphi-ke? What's the solution? Uqandeliwe amanga ngomshado. Uqandeliwe amanga ngayo yonke into ekhona la emhlabeni. And abantu into ebuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi lezi zinto abaqanjelwe ngazo amanga, mase bebona ukuthi akwenzeki bazifuna ngenkani, like imali. Baqanjelwe amanga ngemali ukuthi imali iyaphilisa, imali yenza konke. Bakufuna ngenkani baze they get to a point of ukuthwala. Banikele ngemphefumulo yabo, banikele ngemndeni yabo, banikele ngey'ngane zabo, banikele nabo bonke abantu abangenandaba nabo. Kodwa guess what? Usukunikele ngawe kuqala before uzonikele ngomndeni wakho loyo, naleyo ngane yakho, nalo uma wakho loyo. Bonakala emathuneni wena ebusuku. Bonakala emathuneni unqunu. Bonakala emzini yabantu utshala imithi ngenxa yomona. So because awazi, because usuyayifuna lento because kade waqanjelwa amanga ngayo, usuyifuna ngenkani. That is why kwenzeka kanje empilweni yakho. That is why uphila impilo enje. That is why. And people are gonna be so addictive to these lies in such a way that ekhathini zokugcina amanga uzobe usuwadimanda. Uzobe usungasayi nje kuwona just because uzobe usuwadimanda, usuwafuna ngenkani. And isithi sobe sesithi-ke lalela-ke. Bona uhlulekile wena. And isithi siyobahleka abantu abaningi. Ukuthi nize ehluleki nini. Nihlule ukulalela umzali wenu. Nihlule ukuhlala emakhaya kini. Nihlule ukulonda uNkulunkulu wenu. Mina benginilutha nje. Nginisusa esivumelaneni senu. Nginiphuca isipho senu, nginiphuca isethembiso senu sokuphila okuphakade. Navuma nani. Then asambeni siyosha sonke esihogweni. Asambeni siyosha sonke kwalasha. Nobe senisola senithi hawe manje abadilikana nithi isisezelo lakho laNkulunkulu lapho sobe sekukhona khona ukugadla nokugedlezela kwamazinyo. So ayikho injabulo la emhlabeni ngaphandle kwaJesu. Akukho ukuthula la emhlabeni ngaphandle kwaMoya Oyingcwele. Asibuyeleni uNkulunkulu bantwana baNkulunkulu. Let us wake up. This is reality. Amanga khona emhlabeni. Amanga futhi ayohleze khona ngoba uSathane uyena uyise wamanga. uSathane uyena umqambi manga nomhleli wakho konke okwenza konke okuyinkohliso. Siyazi sihlala naye kodwa uJesu wakwazi ukuthi amemele uSathane athi lalela kulotshiwe. Leli iBhayibheli leli yilona ongakwazi ukulwa ngalo uthi kulotshiwe. Nale qiniso uJesu kuphela iqiniso, uNkulunkulu kuphela iqiniso. Wena unamanga wena. Wena udlala ngami wena, ngenza isilima wena. Usungisebenzisile yonke leminyaka, usungisebenzisile zonke lezi indlela. Ngikhathele wena, ngiyakushiya manje. Ngiyaphila iqiniso. Ngiyobamba isithembiso sokuphila okuphakade. Ngifuna ukuphila okuphakade mina. Ngifuna injabulo engapheli mina. Ngifuna uMoya Oyingcwele uhlale nami ungifundise into yangampela ezosiza mina. Ngifuna ukuthula mina empilweni yami. Ngifuna ukuhlezi ngixokozela, ngihlezi ngidinwa njalo, ngihlezi ngikhala njalo ngezinto zakho la kufika khona wena uyisela futhi ufike ungitshontshele. Le mali othi angiyisebenzele mase ngiyisebenzelile futhi iphinde iphele kanjalo. Ngeke ngize ngidlale wena, ngenza isilima wena Sathane. Suka kimi. So it's about time people make those kind of choices. Ngoba uJesu uyabuya uzokwamukelisa ngokumvuzo nangekwemisebenzi yakho. Inkosi nje iyanithanda. Inkosi isanibekezelele. Inkosi isafuna ukuthi nibuyele kuyo. Isafuna ukuthi nisindise nibhabhadiswe. Uma ungakakwenzi sindise wamukela uJesu manje. Uma ungakakwenzi bhabhadiswe wamukela uJesu manje, so that uzothola ifa lakhe lingumoya ongcwele ozokufundisa kokutshele konke nje okusazokwenzeka. Uzile ukudla udele zonke izinto la emhlabeni, and the more uyidela the more uzobona ukuthi zamanga kangaka. Because yonke into mongayenzi moqhelene naye, that is when you can see ukuthi hayi man. Because even for a person okwi relationship toxic la eshawa khona ebhonya khona akaboni ukuthi uzofa, libe lisemtshela hayi bona uzokubulala le ndoda yakho, athi ayikho lodwa. Only when they remove themselves athi hayi beyacishe ngafa ngempela lapha. Because ongale oyi-audience uyakwazi ukubona ishow kodwa ongaphakathi akakwazi ukubona. Kufana ne-game kwi-field, odlalayo akakwazi ukunaka ukuthi yazi mengaphosela lo ngaba ngcona, kodwa the audience iyona ezimemeza lo kamphosela ngani lo yabela buka ngabe lingenile igoli. So if you are away, you can see better, you can maneuver better, you can look things ngeso lokuthi man la So it's about time people sibuyele kwi-reality, sibuyele ezindabeni zangempela zeqiniso, so that sizokwazi sizoqonda ukuthi la kusizwa thina, la kuphulukiswa wena, la kuphulukiswa umphefumulo wakho, la kuphulukiswa inhliziyo yakho, la kuphulukiswa wena. This is reality. Iqiniso kuphela likuJesu Kristu, iqiniso kuphela likuphila okuphakade. Ngoba uyakuthanda ukuphila okuphakade, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi lokho. Uyayithanda injabulo, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi lokho. Uyayithanda into zamahhala, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi lokho. Vele wengakudalela ukuthi uzosebenzela into oyidingayo, usebenzele ukuthi udle isisa sikweletwa phela. Why kumele ukuthi uhambe ufukuza qala ufukuzele ukuthi udle kuqala? Because udinga ukuthi uhambe nje uyothatha aphule esihlahleni salulile njengasensimini yase-Eden. So let us get back to the Lord people. Let us get back to the truth people. Khipha wonke lawo manga wachithe walahle ngoba ngeze kusiza ngalutho, kodwa azovimbezela iqiniso ukuthi lifinyelele kuwena, likusindise, likuphulukise, likususe ekufeni, likususe esihogweni, likususe ekufeni okuphakade. Nali iqiniso lizokufikisa ekuphileni okuphakade, iqiniso likaJesu Kristu, iqiniso likamoya ongcwele, iqiniso likaNkulunkulu, iqiniso lokuphila okuphakade, iqiniso lezulu. Inkosi nje ibe nani nibusise. Lo uLihle Themba Mzobe. Amavidiyo atholakala ku-TikTok uLihle Themba, Facebook Lihle Themba Mzobe, and naku-Instagram Lihle Themba Mzobe, naku-YouTube khona la it's Lihle Themba Mzobe. So nje uNkulunkulu abe nani anisize, niphulukise, nisindise imphefumulo yenu nisaphila, ngoba makwafika ukufa ungakayisindisi, ungakayiphulukisi, then I don't know. Ngoba ithi incwadi emshumayeli konke isandla sakhe esifumanayo ukwenza, Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 10, konke isandla sakhe esifumanayo ukwenza kwenze manje ngamandla akho onke. Ngoba ngale kwethuna akukho umsebenzi, akukho ukwazi, akukho umcabango la uyakhona. Inkosi ibe nani nibusise. uJehova uyanilangazelela, uyanibiza. Wozani bantu, kusavuliwe ezulwini, wozani kusafakwa ama-application ngoba ake avalwa, angeke usakwazi ukuthi usitholele ukuphila okuphakade. uNkulunkulu anibusise, abe nani anibusise kakhulu manje sephakade. Amen.